Okay, children, last one is 3.3 numerical problem. In this numerical problem, you can see that now they have discussed a practical life problem. A cyclist having mass 40 kg, mean mass of that cyclist including the mass of cycle, the total mass of that object is 40 kg. Okay, so now according to question, he is applying some force, but this time don't consider this force first time, just leave it. So let's say you don't know how much force is applied by the cyclist. Okay, leave for the time being, only consider the mass of the object is 40 kg and that cyclist is applying some force. Okay, and he is able to produce 3 meter per second square acceleration. Okay, fine. Now find out how much force he should apply. So according to Newton's second law, F is equals to ma. F and a values, m and a values given, simplify, you will get 120 Newton. So your calculation according to law is he should apply 120 Newton force on the object, on the cycle, okay, to produce this much acceleration. But actually problem is now cyclist is applying 200 Newton force. Now this is very strange. If this much acceleration is produced and mass is this, so calculation says that 120 Newton force he should apply, but practically he is applying 200 Newton force. It means 80 Newton force is he is applying more as compared to this. Where that 80 Newton force has gone? Problem is now calculation says that he should apply 120 Newton force, but practically he applies 200 Newton force. So where this force has gone, this is extra, that is 80 Newton is extra. Where this 80 Newton has gone? Basically, when the cyclist is applying force and he should apply 120 Newton, but practically he is applying 200 Newton, it means more force is basically overcoming the problem of friction. Is it? So because friction is, that's why the force according to law calculation says 1 Newton, but why more than 120 Newton? Because of friction existing between the tires of the cycle and the road. So that basically force 80 Newton is being you can say is used for overcoming the problem of friction. So we can say friction force of friction is 80 Newton. Okay. Similarly, if he applies according to law, he should apply 120 Newton. Let's suppose if 210 Newton force he is applying practically, it means 90 Newton more force is applying, and that 90 is basically being used to overcome the problem of friction. As the friction is greater, so it means the force applied on that cycle by the cyclist will be greater than this 120 Newton. Okay, so hopefully you have understood all these things, girls. So inshallah next time we will discuss new things. Till that time, God bless you, and I have given you revise these things at home as a homework day by day, okay, according to your own planning and schedule. Thank you very much. If you have any problem at the end, I must say, if you can discuss with me, it's better. So I request to you, or always I say this at the end of my every video almost, I say बेटे if you have any problem आप मुझसे ज़रूर पूछें, ऐसा ना हो कि ये वक्त गुजरता रहे और अपना वक्त ज़ाया करें. तो प्यारे बच्चों, अगर कोई बात आपको समझ में नहीं आती, सो डोंट बी हेसिटेट, मुझे अपना प्रॉब्लम बताएं, मैं उस पर नए वीडियोस आपको बना के दूंगा. चूँकि टाइम बेटे हमारे पास बहुत लिमिटेड होता है. आई हैव टू मेक जस्ट ओनली अ वीडियो कंसिस्टिंग ऑफ 2-3 हार्डली 4-5 मिनट्स. टाइम इज़ वेरी शॉर्ट. इस लिमिटेड टाइम में मैं पूरी कोशिश करता हूँ कि आपको बेहतर से बेहतर समझा सकूँ. Okay, so thank you very much. Okay, see you inshallah next time. Till that time, God bless you all. Thanks.